Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your contact on TikTok. So for you to be able to find your contact on TikTok, here's how you can get it done. First, you have to open the TikTok app on the phone. Once you open it, then you tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, then you tap on this option, which is the add plus profile button. Then from there, if your option is on friends, then tap on suggested. Then from here you tap on this option, which is find friends. You tap on it, then you tap on continue. Then from here you can link your Facebook account to your TikTok. You can see good. You can see it automatically loads me back to Facebook. So from here, okay, good. So from here you can easily link your TikTok with your Facebook. You can see TikTok is requesting access to your name and profile pictures, email address and friend list to edit to gain access. So from here, once you are allowed to actually give the access, supposed to give access to TikTok to access your Facebook account. TikTok will check through your friend list, and with this process they can automatically fetch friends from Facebook to your data or to your TikTok, and from there you can gain more friends or find more friends from other platforms. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.